Homophone and Homonym Detectives, using context clues. Hello, English enthusiasts. It's a joy to see you again on our journey to master the English language. Today, we'll tackle a fascinating topic that can be challenging, yet rewarding to understand: homophones and homonyms. Even more, we'll learn to use context clues to avoid confusion and determine their meaning in any sentence. So, buckle up and let's dive in. Before we delve deeper, let's do a quick refresher on what homophones and homonyms are. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings. For instance, pair and pair are homophones. On the other hand, homonyms are words that sound the same and may or may not have the same spelling but have different meanings, like bat, a piece of sports equipment, and bat, a flying mammal. Words do not exist in isolation. They are usually part of sentences, paragraphs, and larger texts. Hence, the context in which a word is used can provide vital clues to its meaning. Context clues can be words, phrases, or sentences that come before, in, or after a sentence. So, if you're uncertain about the meaning of a homophone or homonym, look around it. Let's explore the different types of context clues you might encounter. 1. Definition clues. Sometimes, the meaning of a word is directly provided in the same sentence or the following one. Example: the archaeologist discovered an artifact, an object made by a human being, typically an item of historical or cultural interest. Synonym clues. The sentence uses another word with the same meaning. Example: the baseball player was elated, overjoyed with his game-winning home run. Antonym clues. A word or phrase with the opposite meaning hints at what the word could mean. Example: unlike his boisterous and outgoing brother, Tim was quite an introvert. Example clues. Examples are given in the sentence that helps to figure out the word's meaning. Example: the flora of the area, such as roses, tulips, and daisies, was stunning. Inference clues. No direct clues are given, but you can infer the meaning from the overall context. Example: she hiked the trail despite the inclement weather, pushing against the wind and sideways rain. Now, let's apply this to homophones and homonyms. Look at the word in context. Ask yourself, does this meaning make sense in this sentence? If read is used in a sentence talking about favorite pastimes, it's likely the verb read to look at and comprehend the meaning of written or printed matter, and not read a tall, slender-leaved plant. There you have it, friends. Using context clues is like being a detective. Always remember, when dealing with tricky homophones and homonyms, the context is your best friend. It helps you decipher the intended meaning and avoid confusion. Practice regularly, and over time, this will become second nature. We hope this video has been insightful and will make your journey in mastering the English language smoother. See you next time.